Hey there! Welcome back to my kitchen faucets channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the Moen 1255 cartridge in your kitchen faucet. If your faucet is leaking, difficult to move, or not working properly, this simple repair can save you time and money. Let's get started. Tools and materials: a replacement Moen 1255 cartridge, an Allen wrench usually 3/32, a Phillips screwdriver, adjustable wrench or channel lock pliers, a towel to catch any water, plumber's grease. Before we start, make sure to turn off the water supply. Find the shut-off valves under the sink and turn them clockwise until they're fully closed. If your sink doesn't have shut-off valves, you may need to turn off the main water supply. Now, turn on the faucet to drain any remaining water and relieve pressure in the system. Now, we'll remove the handle. Look for a small set screw on the back or bottom of the handle. Use a 3/32 Allen wrench to loosen it, then carefully pull the handle off. With the handle off, you'll see a retaining nut holding the cartridge in place. Use an adjustable wrench to unscrew it counterclockwise and set it aside. Now, grab the cartridge and pull it straight out. If it's stuck, use pliers and wiggle it gently to break it free. Be careful not to damage the faucet body. Before inserting the new cartridge, I recommend applying plumber's grease to the O-rings for smoother operation and a longer lifespan. Slide the cartridge in, making sure the alignment tab fits properly into the notch inside the faucet. This ensures proper function. Now, screw the retaining nut back on and tighten it securely, but don't over-tighten it, just needs to be snug. Slide the handle back onto the stem and tighten the set screw with your Allen wrench. Now, turn the water supply back on and slowly turn on the faucet. Check for leaks and ensure it moves smoothly. A few extra tips for a perfect repair: if the faucet still drips, double check that the cartridge is fully seated. If the handle feels stiff, add a little more plumber's grease to the O-rings. Always use genuine Moen parts to avoid compatibility issues. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the Moen 1255 cartridge in your kitchen faucet. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY home repair tips. Drop any questions in the comments, I'd love to help. See you next time.